Now remember, in English your sentences, your lines, everything is the formation of subject, where just a second, 24, yeah, which we are going to write as S. Then you have verb, which we will write as V, and then you have object, which will write as E. So your formation is basically S plus verb plus object. I hope you all remember this much now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now the subject is your doer of the action, someone who is the doers. Basically, the sentence is about this person. Okay. If I say Ram has a ball. Okay, I say Ram has a ball. So who is the subject?
Ram. Ma'am, Ram.
Ma'am, Ram.
Ma'am, Ram.
Your subject is Ram. Clear hai?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the
Yeah.
verb in this? Verb kya hai bachcho?
Has. Has. Ma'am, has.
Very good. Verb is
Ma'am, has.
very good. And what is the object?
A ball. Ma'am, ball. Ma'am, a ball.
A ball is your
Ma'am, ball.
object. Now, to find the subject, I'm continuing. To find the subject, हम पहले verb ढूंढते हैं. हमारा verb क्या था? Has.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Look for the verb and you ask the question. आप question पूछते हो who oblique what, and जो भी answer में आता है is your subject. तो हम question क्या पूछेंगे इधर? Who has a ball? You will get the answer
Ram.
You will get the answer Ram.
Ram.
So Ram becomes your subject. Clear?
Subject.
For
Yes.
object,
Yes,
for
ma'am.
object, you ask the opposite. You ask the question with the subject after the verb now. Okay? When you will ask Ram has what? So what does Ram have?
Ball. Ball.
A ball. So you got the
A ball.
answer. So for subject, it is before the verb you ask, and for object after the verb you ask. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What oblique who होता है हमेशा same. यहाँ पे भी what oblique who होता है. You get this. Out here you get object. Is it clear? यहाँ तक
Yes,
simple है? Simple है?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Now,
Yes,
what is a predicate? Children generally get confused between object and predicate. Simple है बेटा. अगर हम sentence को तोड़ दिया, हमने भी broke the sentence, we got subject, we got verb, and we got an object. If we just have to find a subject and a predicate, then this thing, your Ram remains the subject. It will not change. Okay, it is not going to change. This will remain the same. This whole thing will become your predicate. So your predicate basically means inclusion of the verb, and anything after the verb becomes your predicate. तो ये पूरी चीज जो चीज मैम ने अंडरलाइन की है and green में लिखी है, this whole thing is your predicate. Is it clear? Anything
Yes,
that
ma'am.
anything that I have written in green is your predicate. Is it clear till here, beta? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
remember,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
object will, very good. Your object will always be a noun or a pronoun, or if there is any action that is being done. तो ये हमेशा याद रखना, subject भी noun होगा, object भी noun होगा, या pronoun होंगे दोनों. ठीक है? Clear है? Simple है, याद रखना यहाँ तक.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your subject is done, your object. Now object is further subdivided. If you remember, I don't know how many of you remember it. Object is further subdivided into how many things?
Ma'am, direct and indirect object.
Correct. Very good. Just a second. Let me. Yeah. So your object is further divided into two parts. The first is object. The second one is direct object. The other one is indirect object. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see what are direct and indirect object. Now first one is direct object. What is direct object? What is the
Ma'am,
direct?
which sentence we do directly?
Sorry, I didn't get it. Can you repeat better?
Ma'am, which sentence we can do directly?
Directly. What do you mean by directly better? No. Anyone else? What is a direct and an indirect object?
Ma'am, direct. Ma'am, in
Direct is noun and noun.
Ma'am, the sequence of the action.
No. No, you all are wrong. Not very clear. Can anyone...
In direct object, ma'am, always question ask for what.
Very good. And indirect?
Ma'am, or indirect whom, from, and for.
Okay.
Whom
Okay. Now let me explain you in simple words. Direct object is that object that if you remove it from the sentence, अगर आप उसको हटा दोगे, your sentence will be incomplete. Okay, let me give you an example now. Just see an example. Gave an apple to me. Now, which is the, let's start step by step. Give me, which is the subject in this?
Ma'am,
Very good. What is the verb in this?
Give.
Ma'am, verb is give.
Give.
Now let's find out the direct and the indirect object. पहले हम सिर्फ object ढूंढते हैं. Object के लिए हम क्या बोला था मैंने क्वेश्चन, हम what या who पूछेंगे. So Ram gave what? क्या आंसर आएगा?
Apple. An apple. An apple.
Apple. Apple, we got the object. Forget about direct and indirect right now. And to me is there. Now this thing is there. अभी हम इसको नहीं देख रहे हैं. Now tell me one thing. If I remove an apple from here, Ram gave to me. Is the sentence complete?
No, ma'am.
Exactly. It is not complete. Okay, it is not complete. But if I remove this, Ram gave an apple. Is the sentence complete?
Ma'am, little bit it is.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, it is complete.
It is a complete sentence.
Yes, ma'am, it is complete.
I don't want to know to whom or whether he gave it to a monkey, he gave it to animals, he gave it to birds. I don't want to know. For me, the sentence is complete that Ram gave an apple. Correct? So that means the indirect object, even if it's not there, does not harm the sentence. But if the direct object is removed from the sentence, your sentence becomes incomplete. Okay? First point. The second important point is, as said, I think Srishti gave the answer. I don't know who gave the answer. That yes, for direct object, we always ask what? We will always ask. Who gave the answer?
Ma'am, Pooja.
Okay, Pooja, good. So the answer is very clear that for direct object, we always ask what. And for indirect object, we will always ask, it's going to be to me, and it is always asked, to whom is it given? To whom, for, or from. It's given in your book also that these are the points to ask. For example, if I'll change the sentence now, Ram bought, earlier it was gave, now bought apples from the lady in the market. Okay, now tell me. Subject is?
Ma'am, Ram.
Ma'am, Ram.
Very good. Verb is?
Bought.
Ma'am, bought.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, bought.
Bought. Okay. Then your direct object is?
Ma'am, apple.
Apples, because Ram bought what? Ram bought apples.
Ma'am, apples.
Now let's see. Correct. What did he bring? He brought apples, right? Then indirect object is?
Ma'am, from the lady in the market.
Lady
In the market.
It's going to be the whole thing from the lady market. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, from whom Ram bought an apple?
From whom? And please, I'm not saying that this is always the rule, but yes, you can look for the words to, for, and who, from. If these kind of words are there in your sentences, automatically that part of the sentence is your indirect object. But
Okay,
please
ma'am.
do not take it as generalized rule, because there are exceptions where it is not given. Then you have to ask the question for whom. Okay. So otherwise, generally the words with to, for, from will always be there for indirect object. So now the objects are clear. Subject is clear. Predicate is clear. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now the most important part that I'm starting is complements. And complements, generally students get confused. So please understand, it's a very short topic, very small topic, but children, they get confused in this. Now complements means something without which the sentence is not complete. Uske bina sentence adhura hai. If you remove the complements, you will not be able to complete your sentence. Okay? Now, simple example. Ram has a ball. And the second is Ram is a boy. Now, for complement, the basic rule that you have to understand for basic rule of complement is that how do you know now, ma'am, ये complement है या boy जो है ये object है, because noun है दोनों. It's not that they both are not nouns. Correct? दोनों question भी answer कर रहे हैं कि Ram has what? A ball. Ram क्या है? A boy. So how do we know whether it is an object or a complement? Simple rule. If your subject Ram is the same as the object, आपका object और subject अगर same है तो वो complement होता है. अगर अलग अलग हैं तो वो complement बन जाता है. जैसे ये वाला sentence देखो, राम subject है, verb क्या है इसमें? Is. Okay, and then you have a boy. तो राम क्या है?
A boy.
Ma'am, a boy.
और अगर अब मैं इसको रिवर्स कर दूं, a boy is Ram, तो एक लड़का कौन है?
Ram.
तो आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है राम, वो ही आपका बॉय है. जो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है बॉय, वो ही आपका राम है. So it is same. Thus,
Ma'am,
this
please
one,
explain once again.
yes, beta. Thus, this is your complement. I am saying, if your subject, that is Ram, चलो मैं इससे समझाती हूँ. Ram is your subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे verb क्या है आपका? Has.
Is.
Correct?
Has, sorry.
And आपका object है यहाँ पे a ball.
A ball.
Okay.
Now, if I reverse the question, अगर मैं question को reverse करूँ, a ball has Ram. क्या ball के पास राम है या राम के पास ball है?
Ram के पास ball.
So that means
पास बॉल है.
राम के पास बॉल है. That means मेरा subject और object आपस में same नहीं है. It does not mean the same thing. नहीं है ना? It does not mean the same thing. That means this is your object. ये complement नहीं है. लेकिन आप second sentence का मैं यहीं पे दिखाती हूँ आप लोगों को. I hope I'm audible. Please mute yourself. किसी का mic on है?
Yes, ma'am.
Please,
Yes, ma'am, you are
किसी
audible.
बच्चे का mic on है? Please. बच्चा किसी का mic on है? Please mute कर दो. Okay. Okay. Now see. यहाँ पर subject is your again Ram. Correct? Subject क्या है यहाँ पे? Ram.
Ram
Verb क्या है यहाँ पे?
is.
Verb क्या है यहाँ पे?
Ma'am is.
And let's say for time being I am saying that let's take this as an object only, is equal to a boy. Correct? Now if I reverse the sentence, Ram is a boy is whom? Boy कौन है?
Ram.
Ram.
So that means Ram और boy एक ही है. राम के बारे में ही बात हो रही है और जो लड़का है वो कौन है? वो राम ही है. It is same. Therefore, it is not an object. It is a complement. Now, did you all understood
Okay, ma'am.
that what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me give you one more example. The teacher selected him. Now tell me, what is the subject in this?
Teacher.
And that's
Very good. What is the verb in this?
ma'am. Selected.
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 Now tell me, him is object or complement? Chalo, tell me.
Ma'am, object. Ma'am, complement. Complement.
दे दो.
No,
पहले
complement.
आंसर दे दो अच्छे से. कॉम्प्लीमेंट है कि ऑब्जेक्ट है? पहले दे दो एक बार.
Ma'am,
चलो, let's do
Ma'am,
one. Wait.
Selected.
Let me
No,
reframe
ma'am,
my
it is
question.
object.
Okay. How many of you say object? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 13. So 15, okay. 14. So 14 students feel, I'll take the last number as 14, 14 students. Now let me see who are the students who feel it's a compliment. Let me just check, please just wait. It is Yash, Vineet. Who else? There are 7 students. Okay, 5 students who are saying it's not. Let me just see, just 1 second. I'm just checking the names. I'm not getting. Can anyone tell me? I'm not able to move my screen. Can anyone tell me the students who have not raised the hand?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, Ayan,
Yes, ma'am,
Jyoti,
may I?
Vineet, Yash.
No,
Ma'am,
wait.
Jyoti,
Ayan has
Vineet,
raised-
Yash.
Okay, one of you. Kunal, only you speak. Ayan has raised his hand. So repeat. It is
Ma'am,
Yash. It is
Abhi raised his-
Vineet.
And Jyoti.
Okay, it's Jyoti, Vineet and Yash. Okay, Jyoti, Vineet and Yash, you all are wrong. only you 3 students are wrong. It is an object beta. Please see, teacher और him दोनों अलग हैं. टीचर ने मुझे सिलेक्ट किया या उसको सिलेक्ट किया. So your object is him.
Him.
Teacher object. Had I given you the sentence, the teacher went
Ma'am, can we lower our hand?
there. Yeah, please lower your hand. Now see, the teacher went herself there. What is the subject in this?
Ma'am, the teacher. Ma'am, teacher.
Ma'am, the
Very
teacher.
good.
Teacher.
What is the verb in this?
Ma'am, selected.
Ma'am,
No, the
Ma'am,
second
went.
sentence. Went. Pooja, where
Went.
are you lost? Now tell me herself.
Ma'am,
Herself.
that is not me. I tell only went only.
I told. अरे यार तुम लोग past tense में क्यों नहीं बोलते हो?
I told.
Yes.
I
Okay,
told
now,
went
okay,
only.
okay. Now tell me, herself is object or complement?
ma'am, compliment.
Very good.
Ma'am,
It is a compliment because now we are talking about the same person. She is talking, the teacher is talking about herself. Okay. So now you understood, if your subject and the person in the object is same, then it is your object, complement, sorry. If it is different, the teacher selected him, this is different, then it is your object. Is it clear now the difference between the complement and object?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी भी अगर कोई बच्चा है जिसको समझ नहीं आया है, प्लीज पूछ लो. Please ask.
May I give the example?
नहीं आया.
Yes, who wants to? किसको नहीं आया? एक सेकंड. Someone said
मुझे
नहीं
भी.
आया. किसको बेटा?
मैम कुणाल का.
Kunal, you have not understood.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई बात
object.
कोई बात नहीं कुणाल, कोई बात नहीं. It is कोई बात नहीं. Good, you said it. बाद में बोलते ना नहीं आया तब मुझे गुस्सा आता. It was very good you have asked. Kunal, if I say Kunal has a pencil. ठीक है? Kunal has a pencil. Now अब मुझे ये बताओ कुणाल, पेंसिल आपके पास है या पेंसिल के पास कुणाल है?
मैम पेंसिल मेरे पास है.
आपके पास है ना. इसका मतलब ये दोनों अलग अलग चीजें हैं. कुणाल और पेंसिल दोनों अलग अलग चीजें हैं.
यस मैम.
तो यहाँ पर अलग है, इसीलिए ये पेंसिल यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाती है. ठीक है, इसीलिए ये पेंसिल यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट है. लेकिन अगर मैं बोलूं is a boy who studies in class 7th. ठीक है, और सॉरी 8th. आप मुझे ये बताओ, कुणाल वो लड़का है जो 8th में पढ़ता है. 8th में एक लड़का है जो कुणाल है. क्या ये एक ही चीज है?
यस मैम.
बस. तो अगर एक ही चीज है, अगर मैं इसको टर्न करके बोलूं या सीधा करके बोलूं, एक ही चीज आ रही है तो वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. तो कुणाल एक लड़का है जो 8th में पढ़ता है, क्लास 8th में एक लड़का है वो कुणाल है. दोनों सेम चीज है ना?
यस मैम.
तो ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. जब दोनों को हम रिवर्स करें और अलग चीजें हैं, वो दोनों अलग चीजें हैं, तो वो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है. क्लियर है?
ओके. यस मैम क्लियर.
ठीक है, जैसे अगर अब मैं एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ. I love chocolates. Now are chocolates object or complement?
Ma'am, I love chocolates. Ma'am, it is
They are not complement.
object.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is
an
object.
object.
Ma'am, object.
Because I love chocolates. Chocolates मुझे प्यार करती हैं ऐसा नहीं है. मैं chocolates को प्यार करती हूँ. I like chocolates. So object. Now is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am, clear.
Very good. सबको clear हो गया अभी ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Complement and object clear.
Very good. There was one student who wanted to give an example. Please give.
Ma'am, the baby was alert.
Yeah, so this is there in your book also. The baby was alert. Alert कौन था?
Ma'am, baby.
Ma'am, baby.
तो दोनों चीजें सेम है. बेबी अलर्ट था. अलर्ट कौन था? बेबी. तो ये दोनों चीजें सेम है, इसीलिए इट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
ये मतलब कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now the complements are further subdivided, beta. It is further subdivided into में नहीं है, लेकिन मैं शॉर्ट में समझा देती हूँ क्या होता है आपको. सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट आर बेसिकली, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में एड ऑन हो रहा है तो इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर सब्जेक्ट के बारे में, जैसे अभी तक हम जितने भी सेंटेंसेस कर रहे हैं, जैसे ये वाला लास्ट सेंटेंस ले लेते हैं, द बेबी वाज अलर्ट. ओके, इसमें किसके बारे में बात हो रही है?
मैम
कौन
बेबी के
alert?
बारे में. मैम बेबी.
और बेबी क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है कि ऑब्जेक्ट है?
मैम ये सब्जेक्ट है.
Subject.
ठीक है, तो अगर हम सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो वो बन जाता है सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब आपको याद है मैंने एक सेंटेंस दिया था, द टीचर selected him as the monitor. अब यहाँ पर हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? कौन मॉनिटर बना है? टीचर बना है या हिम?
हिम.
Ma'am.
हिम के बारे में बोल रहे हैं ना. हिम इज द मॉनिटर.
Yes.
तो हिम के बारे में जब हम कोई चीज एक्स्ट्रा बोल रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स हम ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बता रहे हैं. सो इट इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? व्हेन यू
Yes,
टॉक
ma'am.
अबाउट द
Yeah.
सब्जेक्ट, जब आप सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बोल रहे थे तो सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब हम ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बोल रहे हैं तो ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ठीक है, जैसे एक और देती हूँ आपको सेंटेंस. द पुलिस, नो, हाँ ओके चलो, लेट्स टेक द पुलिस ओनली. द पुलिस कॉट द थीफ. पहले तो मुझे बताओ ये ऑब्जेक्ट है या कॉम्प्लीमेंट है?
मैम ऑब्जेक्ट. मैम ऑब्जेक्ट है ये.
वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी गुड. ये ऑब्जेक्ट है ना. अब अगर मैं इसके आगे एक सेंटेंस लिख दूं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं है बेटा, ये ऑब्जेक्ट है. पुलिस और थीफ के सेम चीज है. पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ा, चोर ने पुलिस को पकड़ा, क्या ये सेम चीज है?
मैम अलग अलग है.
हाँ, दोनों अलग हैं तो सेम तो है नहीं. तो
Ma'am, they both are different.
करेक्ट, ये ऑब्जेक्ट है. अब अगर मैं इसके आगे लिखूं, द पुलिस कॉट द थीफ in the evening. ओके, या फिर मैं बोलूं from the market. From the market. Now tell me, पुलिस ने किसको कहां से पकड़ा?
मैम थीफ मैम मार्केट से पकड़ा.
तो ये हमारा थीफ के बारे में बता रहा है. सो इट इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Like one more, we invited him as chief guest. Now tell me, is it a subject complement or an object complement?
Ma'am, it is object. No, ma'am.
आराम से सोचो, आराम से सोचो. पहले तो सब्जेक्ट ढूंढो, सब्जेक्ट वाइज जाओ. सब्जेक्ट क्या है इसमें?
Ma'am, subject is him. Sorry, हाँ him.
सब्जेक्ट हिम है कुणाल.
Ma'am, we है. Ma'am, हम है.
We.
और वर्ब क्या है?
Ma'am,
Invited.
invited.
वर्ब होता है कोई भी एक्शन करना. कोई भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब या फिर मेन वर्ब एक्शन करना, तो इनवाइट करते हैं तो हम एक्शन कर रहे हैं, तो वर्ब है
Yes.
इनवाइटेड। अब मुझे ये बताओ हिम ऑब्जेक्ट है या कॉम्प्लीमेंट है?
Ma'am, it's object.
वेरी गुड,
It's object.
it is object because we invited him, he did not invite us, हमने उसको इनवाइट किया है, तो ये हो गया हिम। अब चीफ गेस्ट हिम के बारे में है या हमारे बारे में है?
मैम हिम के बारे में।
Ma'am, के बारे में है।
अगर हिम के बारे में
He
है
is
तो
a
क्या
chief
मतलब
guest,
है?
not us.
So then is it the object or the subject complement?
Ma'am,
मैम इट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट।
Object complement.
I'm object complement.
So now have you understood exactly what are complements? How to
Yes, ma'am.
find the subject
Yes,
and
ma'am.
object complement? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Very good. अभी भी अगर किसी को डाउट है आज पढ़ना एंड कल मुझसे पूछना, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन एंड नाउ आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू ऑल दी 3 एक्सरसाइजेस में जो है, सो यू विल ऑल कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज A, B and C. Okay students, all of you will
Okay,
complete
ma'am.
exercise A, B and C. I will share the pages. All those students who have the grammar book, they will write it in their